In the gospel today, our Lord Jesus describes the Pharisees. They preach, but they do not practice what they preach. I have been telling you in my videos and homilies to forgive your enemies, but I am maintaining enemies. I am bearing hate and unforgiveness in my heart. I have been telling you in my videos and homilies to be humble, but I am arrogant. I am boastful and full of pride. I have been telling you in my homilies and videos to be selfless, but I am very selfish. Pasensya na po. Talagang mahirap. Mahirap.